In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have rulers visible and be ready to use guides so your layouts are clean, consistent, and perfectly aligned. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so the editor and menus appear correctly. A stable connection helps, especially if your assets are stored in the cloud. Next, make sure you're logged in. If you've signed in before, you'll likely be taken straight to your home screen. If not, sign in with your Adobe account so your projects, fonts, and brand assets are available in the editor. Without access to your account, some features and files may not show up. On the left side of the home screen, either click your stuff to open an existing project or click Start. New design to create a fresh canvas. Your stuff is great when you need to add guides to something you've already been working on, while Start New Design is perfect for a quick layout from scratch. Now click New Design to open your project in the editor workspace. Once the canvas loads, you'll see the top toolbar where all the main menus live. This is where you'll access the controls for rulers and guides. At the very top, click the File menu. This opens a drop-down with document-level options. Don't worry if you don't see the controls right away. Some menus stack related features to keep things tidy. Hover your mouse over rulers and guides. Hovering reveals the submenu that contains the viewing and alignment options you need. This is the hub for turning visual aids on and off while you design. Click is Show Rulers. You'll see rulers appear along the top and left edges of your canvas. These rulers are the foundation for working with guides and precise placement. With rulers visible, Adobe Express enables the guide system so you can align text, shapes, and images consistently. Guides are non-printing helpers. They won't appear in your exported files, so you can use them freely to establish margins, center elements, and keep spacing even across multiple pages or posts. If you don't notice a change right away, make sure you're in the design canvas and zoom to a comfortable level so the ruler edges are visible. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, confirmed you were logged in, chose or created a design, went to File, hovered over rulers and guides, and turned on Show Rulers. With rulers active, you're set up for clean, accurate alignment every time you build a layout in Adobe Express.